Oh, we're stuck. Whoa! Man, that was awesome. So warm. It was -2 outside, but for some reason the van was super warm last night. I think it's where we put the air. We made it go across our feet. We just stopped at a fuel station, got some water, and the guy at the fuel station told us to drive down this little road, and there'll be some really cool art on this old like fishing fishery that was burnt down like 30 years ago, and this is the kind of art that's here.
And tell me where to find you when the silence is heavy, when we're losing our mind.
On this road that said it may have been closed, but we aren't.
No,
really.
It's not closed, it's just dangerous.
Anyway, we took it. It's very slippery and very icy. I didn't get the GoPro in time, but before there was like snow covering the road and it was like rock solid. It was slipping all over the place. If we slip off the edge, it's kind of like yeah, we're done. Oh, fuck. I'm pretty sure the guy that we rented this van off said not to go on roads like this. I'm not too sure. Oh my god. What? Bit slippery, mate. Jesus Christ. Oh man. Oh man. Oh shit. Shit. Oh shit. Oh my god. Oh man. Oh, we're stuck. We're stuck. Fuck. Yep. We got this. Keep going, mate.
I don't think we can go any further, mate.
Alright.
We have to come back.
We got this. We just dug the wheels out a little bit. Hopefully we can get down. It's a bit risky at the moment. A bit scared. We gotta get down because otherwise we're gonna be paying a lot of money to get out of here. We're still here. Carol's doing all the work. I did help before a little bit. Alrighty. Oh yes! Yes! Fucking got out! Yes, mate! Oh, oh, that was nerve-wracking. You alright?
Yeah.
Alright, hop in, let's go.
I feel my hand, but that's alright.
This is the drop. Holy fuck. Look at it. Oh man. Holy shit. What do you reckon? Take a different route?
Yep.
Dude, that was amazing.
That was awesome.
That was so weird. We were just sitting in the car and Googling like what type of wildlife they have here. And Kirill goes, oh, do they have reindeer? All of a sudden, what about this? Rudolph, is that you? Rudolph! Rudolph, come out! I think it's caught on my hair. No. Let's try that again. We're on Arctic Fox lookout.
Just a standard drive to a volcano.
Parking. On the left.
On the left?
Yep.
Walking up a volcano. It's not very big, but it's really cool. And it's really cold. We got up a volcano! Couldn't have timed this better. It's just amazing. We got the sunset at the top of a volcano. We just went to the highest point of it, up there. Now we're gonna walk the rest over to there, and then go to some springs and
Observe the northern
yeah,
lights.
tonight hopefully some northern lights. Iceland is amazing. This is one of my favorite places I've ever been. Everywhere's going kind of like this pinky tinge and it's like glistening from the sun. It's amazing.
Keeps igniting like a prelude.
You ready? Yeah. Oh shit.
Man. Not cool, no.
Oh fuck. Clothes, bro. Let's just go. I'm following you.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, mate.
You cannot see. It just looks blue on here, man. It's not bad, mate.
Yeah?
Cheers. What is going on? Today was basically the perfect day. You saw we went up the volcano, got the sunset, and then you wouldn't have got any film from the northern lights because the GoPro can't pick it up, but here's some quick photos. It was just amazing. We couldn't have timed it better without even planning it at all. We were just like super lucky. The northern lights just blew my mind. Didn't want to stop looking at them, but just got too bloody cold.
We must have spent a good 2 hours, 3 hours outside.
In like what, -5 or something?
-5, yeah.
Yeah.
But we
Worth
weren't
it.
alone.
Yeah, we weren't alone. We met some amazing people who needed our help with taking photos, and we needed their help because they had tripods. So it was like a perfect combination. We managed to get a photo together under the northern lights, which is cool. But yeah, anyway, we're gonna catch some rest and see what tomorrow brings. Hopefully it's just as good. Who knows?
Hard to match, but that's
Yeah.
what we've been saying for every single day.
Yeah, every day we're like, oh, it's hard to match today, and then all of a sudden it just gets better. All right, we're gonna get some rest, and we'll see you tomorrow.